Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create a website for real estate and property management business, easy and quick. So first type Wix on. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content, and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first, enter the site, and I'll create new site. Now search for your business or your website type. So for example this. Wait a few seconds. Now enter your business name, type any business name you want here. Here if you want to add your address, your business address, so let's click next. Here if you want to time zone, start here if you want to add some services, next, add your stuff, and here what else you want to do with your business. Offer virtual sessions or accept online payments, manage on the go with the Wix owner app. So let's click next. Now continue to dashboard. Wait a few seconds. So now if you want to design your site, here if you want to let Wix create a site for you, or here if you want to customize the design template. So for me, I'm gonna choose this, get started. Now enter your information, your email, your address, and your phone. Here if you want to add your social link, if you want to add your logo. So let's move on. Pick a theme you like. Now pick your favorite homepage design, for example this. Now add pages to your site. So this, and this. So now if you want to go to editor, you want to edit more your website, your site, and here the settings of the website. If you want to edit more or design more your website, here add elements, for example the text, themed text, here also the titles, the paragraph. So here if you want to edit the shape and the size of the writing, the image, here you can search image if you want to show more image. So that's it. The button here if you want to edit your shape and the size of the button, the icon button and the image button, document button and items button, the pay button if you want to change the label here. So the strip if you want to make it classic, featured, services, contact and testimonial, the theme. So here if you want to add more decorative things, basic shapes, or themed lines, a row, horizontal lines, and the vertical lines, the featured, the icons, the animal and nature. So that's it. Logos and badges, characters. Here the video box, transparent video, related apps, and that's it. The next is boxes. If you want to manage your boxes, themed boxes here. This is the container boxes, the hover boxes, the tabs. So that's it. Let's move on to the gallery. If you want to edit your gallery settings, pro galleries, guide galleries, slider galleries, and more galleries here if you want to show more galleries. The menu and the anchor here, the contact form, the order forms, registration forms, and donation forms, application forms, and the feedback forms, requests, a waiver, and subscribe, the maps, the full width maps, the chat, Wix chat, and the line. So let's move on to the video and the music. Wix video, video boxes, video mask, transparent video. Let's move on. Interactive. If you want to make the slideshows, full width slideshows or box slideshows. So let's move on to the list. If you want to manage your list settings, the embed code, the social, the payments, social media bar here if you want to edit your social media bar, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, VK, and Line. The payments if you want to edit your payments here, the pay button and the PayPal button, the order, donation. Here if you want to manage your site content, blog, the store, the bookings, and the events, community, and here your design. So let's move on to the next. If you want to add a section on your website, here you can select any section here you want. If you want to add pages and menu, here you can add them. Home, about, selling, FAQ, buy-in or contact, renting, testimonial, and book online. Also if you want to edit your site design, color theme or the text theme, or the page background or the page transitions. If you want to add more apps. Also here if you want to edit your business, you can edit your media, upload your media here. If you want to manage your site content, and here marketing and SEO. So that's it. After you design your website, here if you want to design as you like, you can move it up or move it down. So after you complete designing your website, all you have to do is click publish, and you're gonna publish your website. Easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.